Hello students, welcome back here. Here is a English workshop of the poem A Teenager's Prayer, written by J. Morse. In this poem, a teenager is expressing his thoughts about the decision he wants to make for leading successful life. He prays to God to help him for the best life. Now, here is a English workshop. According to the poet, are brought by each new day, and the correct alternative is new beginnings. We must decide to take the road which leads to Here is the option great distress, great success, and the answer is great success. The poets prays to the Lord to help him stand for what is The alternative is might and right, and the correct alternative is right. D. The poet wants to see that his teenage years have been the years of his life, worst or best, and the answer is best. Now, find and write the pairs of rhyming words from the poem. First, make, take, see, me, way, day, success, distress. Third question, what is the rhyme scheme of the poem? Choose the correct one from the following option. Correct one is A, B, C, B. Question number 4. Match the lines in column A with the figures of speech in column B. Decision I must make. This is the example of inversion. Please open up my eyes, dear Lord. This is the example of apostrophe. Travel down the darkened road. Alliteration. I can choose to take the road of life. It is the example of metaphor. Here is the definition of alliterations and its example you have to find from your books. Now here is the appreciation of the poem. Title A Teenager's Prayer. Poet J. Morse. Rhyme scheme. The rhyme scheme of the poem is A, B, C, B. Favorite line, I can choose to take the road of life that leads to get great success. Theme, the theme of the poem is a teenager's dilemma about making the right decisions. Figures of speech, apostrophe, please open up my eyes, dear Lord. Special feature, this is a short poem, well structured poem. Speaker of the poem seeks God's help to show him right path. And the last one is why I like the poem. I like the poem of its clear and important message. So thank you for watching this video.